The opening day of Vikings is getting closer and closer, with so much work going on in the area. Over the past few weeks, the entrance to the area has been finished off, the theming and ride areas are near to complete, but also a few days ago, staff previews of this new area took place, so it's not going to be long till the public head into this new themed area. So with all that said, let's take a look at the latest Vikings construction updates. Starting off then with the entrance to this area, it's been completely finished off, and what can I say, it looks fantastic and really goes with this Viking area. The huge Vikings logo at the top really does look fantastic, and all of the woodwork at the top complements the sign and really shows guests that they're heading in to a new area. Alongside that, all of the shields that have been put on the entrance sign, but also around the fence, look really good as well. Now, if you remember back to the teasers of this new area, the rides were represented by shields, so it's really nice to see Drayton Manor have incorporated that into this new area. Overall, the colours of the sign look amazing and looks nearly complete, and if not completely finished, and it's going to look fantastic seeing the buffalo coaster going over the top of this entrance. It's sure going to be a warm entrance to this new themed area. Moving into the area then, Loki, the Perla Nebulous has had its first riders on. Of course, this area isn't open yet, this was a staff preview day, and wow, the area around the ride looks amazing. I mean, just look at the ride system itself. It just looks so mesmerizing to watch go around. All of the different theming on the ride itself. You've got the wood effect going onto the different gondolas of the ride, and also the shield in the middle of the arm. Alongside that, I'm loving the area around the ride, the netted fencing, the plantation. It all comes together really well, and when the trees grow, it's going to look even better. Alongside that, rocks have been placed around the area. I mean, just zooming into the fencing there, the way the top have been sort of shaped off and pointed, it just got so much detail around it. I mean, even looking into the top left corner, the exit sign is even nicely themed with the wood and the engraved wording on. Also in the distance, we can see the Sleafener station, which is looking really colourful. Unfortunately, no updates around this tracked pony ride, but as soon as there is any, I'll be sure to update you guys with the latest. Overall, the design of this area is looking amazing, and I can't wait to see it all finished off. Moving over to 4, this Perla Disco is looking fantastic. Firstly, looking at the entrance to this ride, the logo is amazing, all of the details that's been put into this signage. For example, the T for the 4 is an axe, the O is a shield, it just goes together so well. I'm assuming that there's going to be more added, as there's some wooden structures still left bare, so I'm guessing we're going to see some more shields and other theming items added. Once again, on the fences around the ride, those shields are making yet another appearance, really adding to this Viking area. Looking around the actual ride itself, it looks spectacular. The Vikings helmet in the middle, the operating box, it all just looks so nicely themed. There's still some work to be done around the area, don't get me wrong, there still needs to be some paving put down and some more theming added, but apart from that, the ride system itself and the operating box and all the different theming look really good. It's not just the rides in this area, it also has a food outlet called Wowhalla. Not Valhalla, but Wowhalla. It looks like they'll be serving food that's grilled, such as burgers and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, the building and signage in the background look really nice and colourful. So there we go, Vikings, a brand new themed area coming to Drayton Manor in 2022. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more updates here on Theme Park Enthusiast. And of course, if you are looking forward to this new Viking area, comment down below what more would you like to see, or what ride are you most excited to ride. I mean, it's a really big area, really big investment for Drayton Manor, and I can't wait to see it open to the general members of public. But with all that said, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.